Children, in this video I am going to tell you how to solve these type of question where you need to find the values of A, B or K and given the condition. See the condition here. See, let us read the question. For which values of A and B does the following pair of linear equations has infinite number of solutions? So this is the condition given to you. For what values of A and B this pair will have infinite number of solution. Now first of all you understand how we have to start it. First of all we have to look at the condition. Here the condition is infinite number of solutions. So we will start for infinite number of solutions A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. I hope you all know about this condition, that whenever we have infinite number of solution, in that case A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Now we will look for A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2 of our questions, right? Our question. So this implies 2 upon A minus B. Don't forget to write binomial in the bracket. जब आप ब्रैकेट में लिखोगे आपकी मिस्टेक नहीं होगी बच्चे. 3 upon A plus B is equal to, don't forget that in your standard form these numbers are on left hand side, right? Here we write 0. So it will become minus 7 upon minus 3A plus B minus 2. A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2. You can cancel this minus signs later on. Okay. Now children, please remember, whenever you are given that three things are equal to each other and you are solving it, whenever you are solving it at a time, you have to take any two equalities. कोई दो का equal वाला relation लेना. All three you are not supposed to use all together. तो लाइक जैसे पहले मैं इन दोनों का इक्वल का रिलेशन ले रही हूँ. सो नाउ 2 upon A minus B is equal to 3 upon A plus B. This implies 2 into A plus B is equal to 3 into A minus B. Cross multiplication. Now after this you will be getting, this implies 2A plus 2B is equal to 3A minus 3B. This implies 2A plus 2B minus 3A plus 3B is equal to 0. And from here you will get an equation minus A plus 5B is equal to 0. Now here we have not got the value of A and B. So we have to frame another equation. Let us write it as equation number 1. Okay. Now use any other relation. You can use this 2 upon A minus B is equal to 7 upon 3A plus B minus 2. Or you can use 3 upon A plus B is equal to 7 upon 3A plus B minus 2. Any relation you can use. So I am using first and third one. Also 2 upon A minus B is equal to 7 upon 3A plus B minus 2. Right? Again cross multiply. This implies 2 into 3A plus B minus 2 is equal to 7 into A minus B. This implies 6A plus 2B minus 4 is equal to 7a minus 7b. This implies 6a minus 7a plus 2b plus 7b is equal to 4. I have changed the sides. So you will be getting minus a plus 9b is equal to 4. This is your equation number 2. You have got two equations. Now you know how to solve these two equations to get the values of a and b. Any method you can use. You can use elimination method, substitution method, any method. Cross multiplication method is not in your course in this year. Okay, so let us see what answer do we get. You can write subtracting equation 1 and 2. Why we need to subtract? Because signs are same. Same signs वाले terms cancel नहीं हो सकती. We need to change the sign. And whenever you are changing the sign, we have to subtract the equation. Now, subtracting equations. वन एंड इक्वेशन 2. ठीक है, इक्वेशन में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता आप किसको पहले लिख रहे हो किसको बाद में. आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी सेम. सो माइनस ए प्लस 5b इज इक्वल टू 0. जनरली बच्चे फ़र्क पड़ता है सब्ट्रैक्ट में किसको पहले लिख रहे हो किसको बाद में लिख रहे हो, लेकिन अगर वो इक्वेशंस हैं तो लेट मी वंस अगेन टेल यू, आप पहले चाहे सेकंड लिख लो फिर फर्स्ट लिखो, पहले फर्स्ट लिखो फिर सेकंड लिखो. इक्वेशंस में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, ये ध्यान रखना. ठीक है, एंड वी आर राइटिंग माइनस ए प्लस 9b is equal to 4. Now since you are subtracting them, you will be changing the signs. And here you will get minus 4b is equal to minus 4. And from here you will get b is equal to 4 upon 4, that is 1. So b is equal to 1. When you get the value of b as 1, you can find a by taking any equation. Now, minus a plus 5b is equal to 0. This implies minus a plus 5 into 1 is equal to 0. This implies minus a plus 5 is equal to 0. This implies minus a is equal to minus 5. We cancel minus from both the sides and we get a is equal to 5. So these are the two values, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1, which when you put in this equation number 2, then these two equations will have infinite number of solutions. Okay children? Now children, in the second part of this question, it is written, for which values of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? Again, as I told you, कि first of all you have to focus on the condition which is given to you. Here the condition is they have no solution. This pair will have no solution. So we will start the solution with the condition. For no solution, I hope you know the condition. For no solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but it is not equal to c1 upon c2. Right? So let us put the values in it. a1 upon a2, coefficient of x in the first equation is called a1 and in the second equation it is called a2. You already know. So 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 upon k minus 1 is not equal to minus 1 upon minus of 2k plus 1. Again you can cancel this minus sign, but you have to write it. Now children, here though all three are not equal, so you have to take first two. Let us take first two and solve them. So this implies 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 upon k minus 1. Again children, cross multiply. This implies 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 2k minus 1. Here if you want to put the bracket, fine, but because nothing is outside the bracket, so you can just remove the bracket. So this implies 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. Now this implies 3k minus 2k is equal to minus 1 plus 3. This implies k is equal to 2. So children, you have got the value of k. So your answer is k is equal to 2. Now you will ask me, what is the role of this? It is not equal. Children, we may use it. When are we going to use it? Suppose यहाँ पर आपका 2 आंसर्स आ जाते हैं, कभी कभी यहाँ पर 2 आंसर्स आ जाते हैं. दिस यू विल लर्न इन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. तो जब 2 आंसर्स आ जाते हैं कि k की वैल्यू ये भी हो सकती है और ये भी हो सकती है, 2 वैल्यूज यू आर गेटिंग, तो हम क्या करते हैं, वी सॉल्व दिस ऑल्सो कि k की वैल्यू क्या नहीं हो सकती. तो सपोज उन दोनों में से अगर कोई वैल्यू इधर आती है कि दिस कैन नॉट बी द वैल्यू ऑफ k, तो हम उसको रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं. तो जो फिर फाइनल वैल्यू एक रह जाती है उसको सिलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. इज इट ओके? और कभी कभी 2 वैल्यूज भी आती हैं, सो दैट विल डिस्कस लेटर. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हियर द वैल्यू ऑफ द k इज 2. सो द आंसर इज k इज इक्वल टू 2.